Mga ka-person, susubukan ko magkanta ng walang mic. Gamit lang yung baso. Tara! Kuha tayo ng baso. Tara, samahan niyo. Huwag lang, ako na lang. Hindi naman kinasama. Di, joke lang. Totoo na to. Kuha na talaga ako ng baso. Ito yung gagamitin kong baso. Hello? Ito yung gagamitin kong baso. May naisip akong kanta na kantahin natin yung wait lang. Bugong muna. Kakantahin natin yung Love is Gone. Yun. Go. Ito lang yung gamit. Walang lyrics, walang ano negative ako. Hindi, boses ko lang talaga at baso lang. Yan, go. Ito yun ang hindi ako magpapakita, nahihiya ako. Go na. Wala ako. 1, 3, go. Don't go tonight. Stay one more time. Remind me that it's like, and let's fall in love one more time by my side. Balik ako. My God, alala ko ano pala ito pala. Hit pala to. Ano ito? Okay, go! Uy, napalo. Joke lang. Nagkukumbya talaga ako dito. Hindi ko siya alam talaga. Ang naalala ko lang hindi ako titiin. Nakaganito yan. Don't go tonight. Stay one more time. Yun lang. Ako lang ng iba. Yun lang talaga yung alam ko. Kaya magsusundog ako dito eh. Pwede ba? Sige na. Kakaptan ko lang ito. Pwede ba dun? Dalawa na lang kami. Wait lang. Palong. Kasi kayo.
Civilite King School with added gangliosides supports faster brain connections for faster learning.
Don't go tonight. Stay one more time. Money that is life. Fall in love by my side. I need you now by my side. Stress me out when you turn me down. Begging, please, just take a round. I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone. I can't breathe, I'm so weak. I know this isn't easy. Don't tell me that your love is gone. That your love is gone. Nakagagamit ang paso ba lang pakinabang siya. That your love is gone. That your love is gone.
Itong part na to, si Vic Soto na ata ang pinakaswerteng tao sa Pilipinas. Kahit hindi niya
I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone. I can't break,
natin. Kasi sa isang piso lang, makakalaro ka na sa Bingo Plus. Alay mo.
It's gone. That your love is gone. Yun lang. Thank you for watching.